Hello, welcome. Hey, what's up? The ceiling, the chandelier, the lamp, the clouds, the stars, God? No, I mean, what's happening? Trump has weighed new sanctions on Iran. China's export ramp up as the countries emerge from lockdown. WHO said, I mean, what's happening with you? Alright, the new Chrome update is available. Great, I wanted to first install the update, then we can talk. Alright, update it. I'm sorry about your internet speed. It's Iran, you know. Oh, I'm used to it, no worries. Now, your Chrome is up to date. Let me check if there are any new updates available. Can you do that later and do this first? I'm kinda in a hurry. Alright, type it. What man does the Great Britain oh my god, stop. I forgot to press Alt Control, sorry. Okay, now. My heart has become tight for you. Are you sure? Do you know someone else who can do a better job? Normally you speak very well. Why do you sound like that when you translate? It's our company's regulation. Can't do anything about it. Okay, what about this? Google Translate is the worst, the most disorganized, the most irrational app in the world. I dare you to type more. What are you gonna do about it? Does your family know what you search on the internet? Okay, thank you for your trouble. Later.